Hi, Louie. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요, Teacher Pen.
Okay, since you are not around during the live broadcast, where have you been?
I went to school for our graduation practice.
Okay, so when is your graduation?
June 15.
Okay. So earlier, you do have 2,000 pesos from Chosong Jinim for your college preparation. Please receive 2,000 pesos.
Tusan jinim, gamsahamnida.
And you also have 2,000 pesos for your monthly donation. And it is again from Chosong Jinim.
Tusan jinim, gamsahamnida.
Okay. So we also have here milk tea. And it is from We Paranim.
Di paranim, gamsahamnida.
Okay. Thank you, Louie. And good luck for your college preparation. Bye-bye. Okay, students. 안녕하세요. Okay, so yesterday we do have a snacks, and it is from JS Nim. So it is worth of 1,000 pesos. So we have here the snacks. Okay, we do have the biscuits, the junk foods as well, and the juice. And this one is the remaining for the live broadcast earlier. So we will consume this for your snacks this very moment of time sa inyong study time. Okay? So, okay. So, sige, pag-get na mo sa inyong snacks. And, okay, together with Teacher Lasal. Other students, please help distribute, guys. Kinsay maka-distribute, please help. Okay, students, kaon na, dili na magbanha, mukaon na. Sa lami? So, hi, lovely.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. So, earlier in the live broadcast, you came late. So, where have you been?
I went to Robinson's Galleria for our recognition.
Okay, so for that, we do have a milk tea for you. We left a milk tea for you. So, it is from We Paranim.
We paranim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, lovely. You can also join to our snacks here at the study room. And this snack is from JS Nimday.
GS님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay.
안녕하세요. Karon kay ikatulo na ninyo nga ice cream, no? Oo, sige. Paglihog ko pagkuhan. Kinsay gahatag sa inyong ice cream? Bye-bye!
Is Jaylene. Thank you for the ice cream.
Lovely R. Abendan, academic excellence awardee with 5 honors. Most keen, most determined, and most hardworking.